This is the real problem with climate change. So obviously climate change does have its effect on the environment, like melting ice caps, which causes water levels to rise, or just generally reducing environmental quality, including air, water, and soil. Stuff along the lines of that. However, if you actually look at the amount of chemicals that we contribute to the environment, it's often based off of everyday things instead of actual specific items. For example, recycling doesn't really make that large of a difference. It's just generally living on Earth that's the problem. And the issue is that almost any lifelike planet like Earth would also go through periods of climate change just because there are living beings on it. So really, the question is how much humans actually affect climate change more than we would by just simply existing. And this actually can be answered by a lot of different things. For example, a lot of the agriculture industry uses a ton of greenhouse gases and pretty much disrupts the carbon cycle quite a lot. However, other things like manufacturing and other industrial applications also heavily detriment the environment. And these things are necessary for human survival, so there's not much we can really do to actually mitigate the effects of what they do. So in general, while there are very small solutions to very specific aspects of climate change, the actual bulk of why climate change matters is solely dependent on things that we use in our everyday life. And therefore, we would need to sort of give up this lifestyle that we all have in order to help climate change, which obviously not everyone's going to do.